In this video, we're going to look at how students develop their understanding of multiplication. Multiplication is built from the knowledge of equal-sized groups. We introduce it through repeated addition and move them to think about how many groups and how many in each group. Let's start with the problem 8 times 6. It can be shown as 8 groups of 6. Students begin by drawing their groups out. When they draw their groups out, in the beginning, students will draw the quantities within each group. There are different ways that students will be able to demonstrate their knowledge and understanding of counting. For instance, students will skip count. As they skip count, they will label each group. Or they might write it out as an equation. These strategies are appropriate for the early development of multiplication. However, they're not efficient and allow room for errors. To become more efficient, students will draw their circles and number them instead of drawing the quantities. We encourage students then to start looking for totals within the bigger total. For instance, students might see 4 groups of 6. And once they see those bigger groups, it becomes more efficient for them to solve. And now they know that 24 plus 24 equals 48. These are facts that they know when they go to solve them. There are different ways that you could group these together. However, this is one example of what students might see. Now, here's one for you to try. Try 4 times 9 and see what you come up with. Pause the video, and then we'll take a look and compare your ideas with what I have written down for you. Hopefully you had a chance to try out 4 times 9. If you take a look in this example, I made 4 groups with 9 in each group. I showed the skip counting, 9, 18, 27, 36, and I also wrote out 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 36. On the bottom here, I showed that I used my basic fact of 9 times 2. I know that 2 groups of 9 is 18, so therefore 9 times 4 would be 2 groups of 9 times 2 and 9 times 2. This is one way that you could solve it. You might find some students who might make 9 groups with 4 in each group. That would be another way to solve it. Hopefully this video was able to help you to understand students' beginning understanding of multiplication.